What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reactivate Billease account. So, in this case, if you're looking for a way to recover your Billease account here and just basically recover your, let's just say, your credit limit, your account, your previous account here, well, there are a few things here that you need to understand. So let's open up Billease here and access a few pages here so that we can understand how do we actually recover our Billease account. Let's go and choose account at the very bottom right here. To be speaking, if you want to delete your Billease account, you just need to click on delete account here. And as you can see, there's like a disclaimer at the top here. So in this case, typically speaking here, if you delete your Billease account here, the first thing that you should be seeing here is going to be, it says that it's permanent. Now, if you delete your account here with Billease and you really agree to that, but obviously they need you to type in delete here and just click on delete forever in order for you to proceed with that. And they also have a disclaimer here that it's permanent. So what we mean by permanent here is if you try recovering your account, it's impossible. So permanent here means that your account is no longer active and it's no longer in their database. So recovering that account will not be possible. Even if you try contacting support for this one, they will just say that it's a permanent thing. They won't be able to recover your account because again, there's a disclaimer here that it's a permanent thing. Now, in this case, if you delete your account, you lose your credit limit as well, and you will not be able to access your account again. So in this case, you still need to repay your loans, obviously, if you delete your account here, and you cannot apply for another account. Now, this is under the section, or in this case, this is under Billease here. So in this case, that's it. So if you still want to use Billease here, the next best thing or last thing that you could try doing here, you just basically use a different email address or a different number here and just create another account here to basically create a new Billease account. But if you're trying to recover your account, again, according to their page here, it's not possible. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.